Hi and welcome. In this video, I'm going to be taking a quick look at this VIJIM LS08 flexible overhead camera mount desk stand. I purchased quite a while ago, but never opened it till now. So let's see what's in the box. Okay, so it comes in 3 pieces. And looks like 2 adapters. And an instruction manual. The first piece attaches to the desk. It looks like it's handled pretty thick, so let's just see. Take it all the way. So it looks like it could handle roughly 2 inches. So let's attach it here. It does have some rubber padding, so it'll be good to not damage your desk. Nice and solid with that rubber grip. And we have 2 sections. I think these 2 are identical, so I guess you could use any one. So let's start with this guy. So that one could be moved around. I guess you could use it like this. It sort of has a ball to go in all kinds of directions. Let's try to tighten that up here. Very solid. Then you have the 3rd section. It's identical to the 2nd one. Stick that one in there, and again, move all around, all kinds of directions. So let's try that. Let's straighten this out a little bit. Very solid. Now it does, as I mentioned, initially you have the quarter mount, and then you have 2 adapters that will go on from a quarter to 2 different sizes. Looking, it says go compatible for microphones or shock mounts with 3/8 and 5/8 interface. So we have the 1/4 inch, which is the default. So let's say I want to connect a camera. And this was sort of going to be my first application that I originally bought this for. After digitizing all our photographs, we did have some scrapbooks like this that I wanted to also digitize. So the idea was to use this, so have a steady camera, and then take pictures of the scrapbook. So it's something I'm going to be doing shortly. Another application which I plan to use is during my YouTube videos, where I want to take a shot of something on desktop or workbench. Now I use my iPhone most of the time, so I also have this guy here, nice little desk mount thing that you can use many ways. I could put a link for this, but it also can be used to connect up to here. Same thing, it has the 1/4 inch threaded hole. And this has the mag mount, so you connect up the phone right there, and I'll be able to use it to do my videos also. So that's going to be another use for sure. And same if you wanted to use it for a microphone. These microphones both have the larger mount, so we would need this adapter. So stick on that adapter. And depending on the types of microphone, this one just go in like this, And this one go like this. So this one you could use any which way you want. These things will go all over the place. So say you want it like this and start talking into the microphone. It wasn't completely tight. Like that. And as mentioned before, it's supposed to be rated to 2.2 pounds, so you can put something pretty heavy. So there's two uses, camera and microphones. They also talk about using it for a panel light if you're doing videos and want good lighting, or a ring light, which I don't have. So those are the main uses for this. It seems to be very, very strong, well made, nice aluminum. It's very nice. So this is just a short review of the VIJIM LS08 flexible arm. Can be used, like I said, for several things: microphones, cameras, lights, whatever else you can think of that uses different mounting holes. This now concludes this video of the VIJIM LS08 flexible arm mount. Like I said, it goes onto the desk, goes used for microphones, cameras, video lights, video ring, or whatever other uses you might find for whenever you have a use for something to go over your desk, or in my case, workbench also. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Thanks again for watching, and hope to see you again soon. Bye.